Or first example, take note that we are given dx plus xy dy is equal to y squared dx plus y dy. So ito yun. Dx plus xy dy is equal to y squared dx plus y dy. Okay, now tignan nyo ha kung paano ginawa. Okay, so ito yung dx natin, ito yun. Tapos ito nilipat niya. Positive yan, nilipat niya, ito yon. Tapos ito yung xy dy. Tapos ito, positive y dy, nilipat niya, ito yon. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then take note of this. Kinombine niya lahat ng may dx, tsaka kinombine niya lahat ng may dy. Nakuha. And then pinactor out niya yung dx. So ito yon. So may natirang 1 minus y square. Ito yon. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
And then dito, pinactor out niya yung y dy. So may natirang x minus 1. So ito yon. Nakuha? So pag lumalabas yan, ganito. 1 minus y square dx. Okay? Plus x minus 1 y dy equal to 0. Ngayon, tingnan natin. Kaya ba natin siya mapaghiwalay? Tingnan natin. So, huwag mo nang galawin itong nasa kabila, itong nasa bandang right, yung y dy. Kasi magkasama na yung y dy. Ang gusto natin matanggal yung x minus 1. So, divide mo to by x minus 1. Pero, kung magdi-divide ka ng x minus 1, dapat divide mo rin to by x minus 1. Okay? Now, okay na yan. Meron ka ng dx tsaka x minus 1. Pero dapat mawala yung 1 minus y square. So, divide mo to by 1 minus y square. Pero divide mo rin to by 1 minus y square. Nakuha? And then take note that at this point, pwede mo i-cancel. Pwede mo i-cancel ito tsaka ito. So, ang natira, ito na lang. Na ito yon. Tama? Ito, ika-cancel mo yung x minus 1. So, ang natira, ito na lang. So, naging variable separable ngayon. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Yes po.
And you may
Yes.
now integrate. Ulitin ko, review your integration. Okay, review your integration. So, na-integrate na yan, ln of x minus 1 minus 1 half ln of 1 minus y square. Review your integration. Okay. What is your C? Di ba your C is the constant of integration? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first order to eh. Dali lang guys. Oh. Dali lang guys. Okay guys, nakita ba? Paano naging ln to ha? Ito, tsaka ito. Okay. Di ba sabi natin that this one is constant? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remind ko lang kayo na paano yan na nakuha mo sagot pero wala sa, kunyari may multiple choice quiz tayo. Tama yung sagot mo, walang mali dyan. Pero wala sa choices. Meaning to say, baka transform. And what are the different ways to transform? Dapat marunong kayo guys kasi baka mamaya sabihin nyo wala dyan ang sagot. Pero take note that because of the properties, baka mas-simplify nyo yan. And what are the different properties or the properties for logarithmic function na pwede nyo apply? You know very well that ln of x, y, or x plus ln of y can be written as ln of xy. Tama ba?
Yes po, sir.
And then ln of x minus ln of y may be written as ln of x over y. And that if you have ln of x to the y, that is the same thing as y ln of x. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay, try to recall these formulas kasi yun ang ginamit niya para mas simplify ito. So, paano niya pinakita yan? Di ba pwede natin isulat yan na ln of x minus 1 minus ln of 1 minus y squared raised to the 1/2. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Equal to C. Ano nga ang C? Constant. Okay. But pwede ko rin siya isulat na ln of C because ln of a constant is still a constant. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Therefore, this one now can be written as ln of x minus 1 over square root of 1 minus y squared is equal to ln of C. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes po.
Okay. Now, do not do this, ha? Baka yung iba, ganito gagawin. That is not correct. Pero kaya lang, iniisip nyo, tama eh. Yung iba, ginagawa, dinidivide by ln. Tapos kinakancel. Hindi siya tama. Mathematically, hindi tama. Magdi-divide ka by ln. Hindi eh. Kasi dapat yung ln mo, merong kasamang variable yan. So, hindi pwede. Para mo sinabi, if you have sin x is equal to sin y, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-divide by sin. Yan. Tapos ika-cancel mo, therefore, matitira x is equal to y. Tama yan. Tama yan. Pero hindi ka pwede mag-divide by sign. Para mo sinabi ganito, if e to the x is equal to e to the y, therefore it follows that for the left to be equal to the right, dapat your x is equal to y. Tama ba?
Yes po, sir. Yes po.
Or if you have e to the 2, is that equal to, let's say, e to the 3 minus 1? And that happens kasi 2 is equal to 3 minus 1. Tama.
Yes po.
So hindi ka nagdi-divide by e. Tapos ika-cancel mo. Hindi pwede. That only shows that ito, since you have the same base, equal yan. Okay, so don't divide by ln. That is not mathematically correct. Although, okay, so bukuhin ko lang ito ha, yan. Yan. Therefore here, it follows that the left is equal to the right. It follows that x minus 1 over square root of 1 minus y squared is equal to c. Ngayon, ito pwede mo i-cross multiply dyan. I-multiply mo doon. Okay? And you will get the same answer.